The SEC and Ripple's legal dispute is finally coming to an end, but wait a minute, do you think that SEC will finally give up with the Ripple case? XRP has officially won the case twice, but still the SEC are going after Ripple. Is this the work of Gary Gensler or the entire SEC? Please drop your observation in the comment section of the video. Let's talk about it further. We are also going to experience the price of XRP is poised to reach record highs or even higher. So do not miss any moment in this video. And also let me make a warning to all of you who have been watching my video. If you go to the comment section of my video, you can find some people trying to scam you to an vest in someone crypto trading. Please do not fall for it. I will never ask you to invest in anybody, and I will never contact you first. So you all should trade wisely, please. What precisely is happening? Let's investigate. Withdrawal. Together, the SEC and Ripple have developed a proposal for the following phases of their case law. They sent a letter requesting a timeline for the remedies briefing to Judge Annalisa Torres and Learning. This plan specifies when they will obtain data for the case's finding portion. Remedies. In case you missed it, the firm behind XRP, Ripple, was sued in December 2020 by an SEC. Allegedly, Ripple offered XRP as an unregistered security in violation of SEC regulations. This court battle brought up concerns regarding whether or not XRP qualifies as a security, a virtual currency as defined by U.S. law. The SEC claimed that Ripple is a securities, whereas Ripple said it is a currency. A U.S. district judge in Manhattan decided in July to give Ripple a partial victory. That XRP sales on open markets did not constitute unlawful unregistered securities offers. Additionally, that SEC's bid to contest that ruling was denied by the judge. However, the lawsuit is still ongoing. Put more simply, both parties consented to investigate events that occurred prior to the SEC's accusations. Breach of securities laws ripple effects. The SEC recommended a 90-day period for obtaining information about possible remedies following the court's scheduling decision. The SEC is seeking information regarding what transpired following its formal accusation against Ripple in December, the year 2020. After the complaint, Ripple may not agree with the SEC's findings and request additional information. Duration of this procedure. Furthermore, the parties concurred that Ripple ought to have 45 days following the court's establishment of a time for Anthony Bracco to submit an updated report. Last year, Bracco gave testimony regarding possible resolutions to the case. That SEC has 90 days from the date Ripple presents Bracco's report to interrogate the expert of the planned timetable. Additionally, the SEC and Ripple are free to release more reports in reaction to the expert's statement. Only with the court's approval will third parties be able to conduct discovery. The SEC may submit its remedy brief at any moment, but no later than 30 days following the time for remedy discovery. 30 days later, Ripple will file its opposition, and 15 days later, the SEC will respond. Read the letter. Attorney Jeremy Hogan also brought out an important point about the court case. Hogan claims that other nations' sovereign rights are the only thing in jeopardy, whereby institutional clients were also sold XRP by Ripple. He proposed that if the SEC makes a decision, these nations could file amicus briefs in the case. To increase its power additionally, Australian pro-XRP attorney Bill Morgan calculated how long the remedies would take. Based on the recently filed joint scheduling order, the Ripple lawsuit stage, Attorney Morgan surmises that the timeline indicates that the remedy stage might last until May 2024, 1 month following the Bitcoin halving. About every 4 years, there is a Bitcoin halving event that lowers the reward that miners of Bitcoin are compensated for validating transactions. It entails halving the quantity of fresh Bitcoins that miners generate and earn. The goal is to control inflation and progressively lower the rate at which new Bitcoins are introduced. Movement. Note that the recommended scheduling order relates to the next stages of the lawsuit's remedies. The appropriate punishment for Ripple's breach of securities law will be determined in this round. The $770 million that its prior institutional sales of XRP amounted to. The SEC wants to charge fines of $770 million, but Ripple may to reduce this sum. Reputable legal professionals like attorney John Deaton predict that the blockchain the business is probably going to ask for exclusions for allowable business costs and XRP sales associated with organizations that existed outside of the U.S. Notwithstanding legal challenges in the United States, Ripple accomplished a significant worldwide milestone by getting a license from MAS Singapore to operate as a major payment institution. For Ripple, this is significant since it creates prospects across Southeast and East Asia for growing their Bitcoin-related payments company. The court case has a big impact on XRP Ripple's development. Many businesses are reluctant to collaborate with people who are being sued seriously, but it's obvious that Ripple is winning this case and the SEC will lose. Only time will tell how Ripple's victory will affect the price, but it is certain. One could reasonably anticipate a price increase, perhaps even exceeding its previous all-time high of $4 per coin. With the arrival of the bull market, cryptocurrency aficionados are optimistic that Ripple will big impact on the world stage and achieve notable growth. This bull market has the potential to transform lives and provide significant riches. These are not just words, either. XRP has become one of the cryptocurrencies with the best returns this year because of its partial triumph against the SEC. Due to this, speculators are speculating about how many XRP tokens will be required to achieve status of millionaires. Even though it fell sharply from its July top of nearly $1, XRP has increased by above 98% by 2023. Its current worth, at 67 cents, represents a more than 50% gain from the beginning. This year, although the recent upswing has benefited existing investors, prospective newcomers would now require a larger investment to purchase XRP. To put it simply, when XRP's price rises, the quantity of XRP tokens required for investment of $1 million declines. But the price to obtain particular quantities of XRP has also increased as a result of the rising cost. For instance, suppose someone paid $300,000 for about 1 million XRP coins when January's price was 30 cents, and they were hung upon until the cost increased to nearly $1 in July, they would have only needed to spend $300,000 to become millionaires. The benefit of hanging onto investments despite price fluctuations is demonstrated by this trend. Although there have been other opportunities similar to this during the year, the example provided shows the biggest potential profit margin. The price of XRP Ripple coin is still lower than many of its high values despite the current uptick. Trading for less than $1. When XRP is less than $1, analysts such as xrpupdate believe there is a big chance for investors. Crypto trader Johnny also forecast a future increase to $1 in August. Since December 2021, XRP has not recovered to the $1 level, despite prior attempts to do so. Have not succeeded. At the moment, XRP is trading for 67 cents. An investor would require 1 million tokens to make $1 million investment if XRP were to reach $1. It's interesting to note that these 1 million tokens are today worth about $672,000 at the present exchange rate, providing a potential for large profits. Why is this important to us? The triumph over the SEC, ongoing XRP token development, significant alliances, and a sizable community speculates that the price of HRP might surprise everyone by rising sharply. People anticipate seeing more growth in Ripple currency as they use them globally. These elements may help XRP surpass its previous all-time high, particularly in light of the impending market boom. What do you think about that? Do you think XRP Ripple will rise? Post your ideas in the comment area. We have now reached the conclusion of this video. I appreciate you seeing. Please click the like button and leave a comment if you liked the information and thought it was helpful. Please leave a comment with your ideas or queries, and most importantly, remember to subscribe.